All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
It's O-R-E-Y-O, DJ Oreo.
I believe everything.
Hey Takeovers, welcome to my channel. I'm Tasha Takeover if you're new. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you my monthly facial routine. Hey! I am so happy and excited at the same time to show you what have been working for me. So guys, let's get it started. The reason why I do this because that's what's been working for me lately. It makes it easier for me to clean my face with the blackheads, the whiteheads, and the dirt. So that's why important step for me. It has been working for me, so I like to do that first. Okay guys, moving on to extractions. This is everything I'm gonna be using for that. Normally, I've used this, okay? Definitely use it, like, you know, not now. I'm gonna take a break from it, but this is what I'm gonna be using now because lately I've seen it's like marks. You see the dark spots? That's from by using this because I'm pressing on taking the white and black hair. How I be pressing on it to, you know, to clean up my face. So now I've been using this, which is, I think it's better for me. It has been working for me, so we're gonna keep using this now until my face is clear. This is how I be using it. My face. It's been working. Press on it, you know. Next is shaving time. As you guys can see, my face is already because I've been and cleaning all the nasty heads and whiteheads. So now guys, I am moving to the shaving. And this is what I'm gonna be using, the aloe gel and also a razor that I got from TJ Maxx. Now I'm gonna apply the gel all over my face. And before I do anything, I washed my hands and they are clean, of course, because I'm dealing with my face. The aloe gel is really good. Even if you have sensitive skin, it's good. That's what I've always used. And yeah, this is how I, you know, apply it on my face, all over my hair, so that I could shave my face. This is how I do it, by holding on my face and shaving down, by holding my face and by, you know, really careful, take my time. Only in one direction. Go ahead. Taking my time, a little slow. I love this step when I shave my face because it helps my face, and I moved all the dead skin, so it feels good right now. So I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is washing my face, and I'm gonna be using this first, and after I'm gonna be using this. So lately I've been washing my face with, so this is a body wash and this is a cleanser. So lately that's what has been working for me. Yeah, so we're gonna wash my face with this first. And to wash my face, guys, I always use a glove. My face and one for my body. So I've been using this because, like I said, my face been acting up lately. So I'm gonna put all the pressure that I can. And mind you, my face, I have a tough skin. So therefore, my face can take all that pressure. So I'm gonna be using this. This is a brand new one. So I try my best to keep everything every time. So yeah, I could take it. So if your face is sensitive, baby, skip that step. I'm not gonna dry it all the way because, like I said, I'm gonna be using the body wash also for the face. So this time I'm not gonna use the glove. Ugh, it's a mess. Don't be like me, right? Okay, now that I'm done washing my face, right? Normally I use a mask, but like I said, my face been acting up. I don't want to put no mask right now. So I sometimes use this too, most of the time. But I'm not gonna use, I'll use this instead. I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes. So it helps me. Oh, it's not a mask, but I use it like a mask. I do have a mask here. I have a mask. But like I said, your girl, your face been acting up, so I use this. It's been helping my face too, so why not? You know what I'm saying? It's you do your thing. You do what works for you, and that's what didn't working for me. Remember that. Do what's works for you. All right. So we're gonna leave this for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then from there we're gonna rinse it out. Out. That's what's been working for me. And that's what I'm gonna do. Period. Poo. Put it on my mama. Put it everywhere, baby. We got time. So we're gonna leave it for 2 minutes. We're gonna leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse it out. Period. Oh. As you look at that, look at my face. Oh, my face feels so good. Okay, guys, I'm moving on to this step right here, which is a tone. So I'm gonna apply it to all over my face. All over my face. Ooh. Serum, and this is what I'm gonna be using. It helps me with my dark spots and all that. So before I do it, it said you gotta shake it really well, and then I've been applying it on my face. Okay. I don't do that because I've seen a lot of people saying that, you know, it's not good for it to touch your skin. So therefore, I stopped doing that. To be honest with you, I stopped. So correction, I stopped. So I put like, you know, this much, and yeah, just, you know, apply all over. Oh, it's hot because, you know, I've been putting my face through it lately because my face been acting up. Stop acting up, then I won't be doing that. On my face. So Guys, see the face. You see the lotion I'm gonna be using for the face. The lotion has been working for me too, so that's why your girl been using it. So I'm gonna apply the moisturizer. Dab, 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 dab. Under. I'm gonna put a facial oil. How's that? Really, mess with my under eyes, but lately I've been tired and I've been working a lot. So I'm gonna put some cream, and this is the one that I'm gonna be using because it's been acting up. Well, not been acting up because I've been working hard. That's understandable. So we're gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna be using some facial oil. So I'm gonna be using that. It's not gonna touch the face, just a little bit tiny, big. And I'm gonna massage it all over the face. It smells so good. All done with the facial. Guys, thank you so much for taking over this video with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's O-R-E-Y-O. DJ Ori.
Believe I believed everything.